Hello, discrete math fans. Let's say you have a D&D gamer, and through something that happens in the game, they have to first roll an 8-sided die, then a 6-sided die, and then choose from among 7 cards. How many ways are there for this selection to occur? All right, this is really very straightforward. It's just 8 times 6 times 7. You just multiply out the various things that you're choosing. Now this leads us to something called the multiplication rule. This says that if you have some operation that has several steps, let's say k steps, and the first step can be performed in n sub 1 ways, and the second step can be performed in n sub 2 ways, and then it's important that that second step, the number of ways that it can be performed does not depend on how the first step was actually done. And then all the way down to the kth step, if that can be performed in n sub k ways, and then of course it's important that it doesn't matter how the preceding steps were performed. If all of that is true, then the entire operation can be performed in n1 times n2 all the way down to n sub k ways. So in the example with the D&D gamer who rolls the dice and then selects a card, the number of ways of performing each step does not depend on what happened in the previous steps, and that's why we can just multiply together to count up how many different ways there are of performing this serial operation. Okay, that's all for now.